Hey guys, Jen here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make food for the gods. I meant to upload this before Christmas, but December was a little busy so I didn't get around uploading it. So before the holiday is totally over, let me show you how to make this classic holiday dessert. So if you want to know how to make this, just stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Now let's get into the video. The first thing we'll do is to dice up some dates. You can buy these in supermarket or baking store. They're pretty accessible. So just dice them up by batch and then toss them with some flour. Just take a tablespoon from your measured flour, and the purpose of this is so they don't clump up together. Once you're done dicing up the dates, let's set this aside and start making the batter. In a big bowl, just sift together your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Now set this bowl aside and take a new bowl for the other ingredients. In this new bowl, just combine your butter, muscovado sugar, white sugar, and just beat it to combine. Once it looks fluffy and creamy, add a little bit of vanilla extract and just continue mixing. Now I'm adding the eggs one at a time, mixing well in between each addition. Now toss in your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients and just give that a gentle fold just until you don't see any more unmixed flour. Now toss in your roasted walnuts and your floored dates. Then just fold everything together until they're all well combined. Now we're gonna transfer this batter in an 8x8 baking tin lined with parchment paper, and we're gonna bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven. And I also like to add more walnuts on top just to make it prettier. Once it's done baking, give it plenty of time to cool before slicing. Mine made about 16 squares and I shared it with my family and friends. And that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!